Hello everyone, and in this video I'll teach you candle continuation theory, which is easy scalping. This CCT stands for candle continuation theory, which is the easy scalping strategy. Every strategy needs the POI, point of interest, and entry management, and after that risk management. And also there will be the time frame alignment. The time frame alignment will be 1 hour and 1 minute. This is the representation of the candle, how our strategy will be. And you can see here, this is a bullish continuation. When the first candle high is broken by the next candle like this, and this first candle high becomes the POI for the third candle like this. You can see this is the first candle, and this is the second, and this is the third candle. When the first candle high in the bullish continuation, when the first candle high is broken by the second candle, then that level of the high becomes the POI for the third candle. Like this in bearish continuation, the first candle low is broken by the second candle body, and that broken level, first candle low level becomes the POI for the third candle like this. We will see for buy in this level, and we will see for sell in this level. For the entry confirmation, you can use any kind of entry like IFVG, FVG entry, CISD entry, or market structure safety entry. Any kind of entry you can use, or engulfing, any kind of entry you can use. And if you want to go deep in the entry confirmation, you can also watch this video. You will get the 6 entry confirmation, and you can use any entry confirmation. For the scalping, 1 hour and 1 minute, I will choose the New York session. You can use on any session. I'll suggest you can take 1 hour and 1 minute. 1 hour for the higher time frame like this, and 1 minute for the confirmation. So I'll backtest some of the entries here, and I'll show you exact how to take the entry. I'll choose 1 hour time frame and 1 minute, and also in the New York session, because New York session is highly volatile. And in this kind of scalping strategy, you will get lots of entry, because these types of candle form everywhere. So you'll get lots of entry. So I'll suggest you to just take 1 to 2 entry in a session. So that can be the good risk management. Let's see here. This is the 9 AM candle, and this is the 8 AM candle, and this is the 7 AM candle. We will trade after the 9:30. I'll just trade 1 hour 30 minute after the 9:30 to 10 and 10 to 11. 2 candle only. So this is the POI for the 9 AM candle. You can see like this. This is the first candle, and this is the second candle, and this is the third candle. So let's just cut it here, and let's go to the 1 minute time frame, and we will just trade after the 9:30. Let's wait for the 9:30, and you can see it's already 9:30 here. We will just wait for the market to toss our POI and just close below the POI. We will just take entry like this. This is the candle that closed below the level of the POI here. So just take the entry here and take 1:2 RR like this. And I'll show you another entry here. You can see this is the 8 AM candle, and this is the 9 AM candle, and this is the 10 AM candle. So let's just mark our POI here. This is the first candle, and this is the second candle, 8 AM candle, and this is the 9 AM candle, which is the third candle. So let's just mark the first candle low that is broken, and it becomes the POI for the third candle, which is the 9 AM candle. Let's cut it here to the 9 AM, and after that let's go to the 1 minute time frame. On the 1 minute time frame, we will look for the inverse fair value gap. Let's just wait for the 9:30. At the 9:30, you can see it just tossed into the POI, but it did not close above the POI. We will wait for the closing above the POI, which will be good. And you can see here, this is the inverse fair value gap. You can just take here, or you can just take your trade after the closing below the POI here like this. Is your wish. Take your entry after the inverse fair value gap, or you can just take your entry here the inverse fair value gap like this, and put your SL slightly above the this FVG, because market can touch that FVG and it can retest down like this. And let's just see, yeah, it perfectly hit 1:2 hour like this. You can take any kind of entry confirmation, and again next entry you can see this is the first candle 7 a.m., 8 a.m. and this is the 9 a.m. Let's just mark our PY here and let's just cut it here, and we will go to the 1 minute time frame and wait for the 9:30. Let's just wait. At the 9:30 you can see it from the inverse fair value gap here, but the inverse fair value gap is so big, so but this candle which from the inverse fair value gap is so big, so we can just take the entries like this at exact inverse fair value gap here. Just put your SL slightly above the PY, because yeah, we can just adjust like this and just take 1:2 error like this. Yeah, this is the exact setup you can use every day. You can get 1 to 2 trade every day. So yeah, this is the scalping strategy you can use. And if you like this kind of video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll upload this kind of scalping strategy. And yeah, you can also watch my previous video where I teach the MSSNR, which is the market structure and support resistance, which is a kind of amazing strategy that I build myself. And yeah, thank you so much for watching till then, and see you in the next video.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.